Hi guys, good day. So for today's video, i-review natin yung DJI Neo 2 na bagong labas ng DJI. So itong DJI Neo 2 is pwede siyang maging FPV drone. Tapos pwede rin siyang maging yung recreational drone na yung mga normal lang na drone. So ito yung video na nilabas ng DJI, official video. Tara, panoorin natin. DJI Neo.
Feel my pulse start racing. I've been chasing after this dream. Then so suddenly multiplying. Know how would it be? So now we catching the wave, being so great. Everything counts. Then tie and loose and start to really stand out. Put in the work. Drift into your lap.
4K 100 FPS na, mataas na yung resolution.
Just hit the tipping point.
Kasi ano yung obstacle sensor.
Yeah, we smash right
So,
through.
malayo na siya sa pwedeng risk na masira yung drone. Mabangga.
Just hit the tipping point. The
Tapos
tipping
yung
point.
palm take off.
If I fall me.
Tapos command.
Smooth
Voice
operator,
command
perfect
control.
flavor,
Pwede
all
na rin.
in the mix. Lightning, hot vibration, in rotation, everything clicks. Time to step up, come on, stuck. Yes,
Ang ganda dito sa DJI Neo, maliit siya, portable siya, tapos madaling gamitin. Magandang kasi siya.
Yeah, we smash right through. The tipping point.
Tapos may protection ng top propeller niya na apat. May cover.
Feel the rush.
So yun yung filter shot niya, quick shot. May drone na rin sa circle. Ito yung malupit. Pwede siyang maging FPV drone. So pwede siyang lumusot-lusot sa maliliit na spatio. Yan. So the best part ng DJI Neo ito. Pwede siya sa recreational. Pwede siya sa sport. Pwede sa paggawa ng mga
The
videos
tipping
na
point.
masisikip na espasyo. You know, DJI Neo siguro mahal pa dito ngayon sa bagong labas.